The Bissell PowerGlide Slim corded vacuum is a versatile, lightweight powerhouse designed for tackling both pet hair and everyday messes on a variety of floor types. Weighing in at under 10 pounds, it's a vacuum that doesn't ask much from you, but delivers big on performance. With its 3-in-1 capabilities, it can easily transform from a stick vacuum to a handheld model or even a high-reach vacuum, offering flexibility for all your cleaning needs. This model also includes a dusting brush and a crevice tool, both of which are perfect for getting into those hard-to-reach spots. Whether you're dealing with the mess on carpets, hardwood, or even upholstery, the Bissell PowerGlide Slim seems to have all the right features to make the job easier. One of the standout features of the PowerGlide Slim is its suction power, which is more than enough to tackle pet hair, dirt, and debris. It works well across different floor types, particularly when dealing with hard floors and low-pile carpets. If you're someone who's constantly battling pet hair, you'll appreciate its tangle-free brush roll that eliminates the frustration of hair getting caught in the brush. This feature is especially valuable for households with pets, where hair tends to be a recurring challenge. The brush roll's design is meant to keep things running smoothly, so you can focus more on cleaning and less on maintenance. Another point that many buyers look for is how easy a vacuum is to use, and the PowerGlide Slim scores well here. The swivel steering makes maneuvering around furniture or tight spaces effortless, which means you're less likely to strain your wrist or shoulder during longer cleaning sessions. Plus, the large dust tank is a real bonus. It holds more dirt than many models of similar size, so you won't have to stop and empty it frequently. For those with allergies, the vacuum's filtration system ensures that dust and debris are trapped effectively, helping to reduce airborne allergens as you clean. However, no vacuum is without its flaws. For instance, while the suction is great, it may not be as strong as some other models in the market, especially on thicker carpets. If you have deep pile carpets or heavily soiled floors, this vacuum may struggle a bit. Similarly, while the vacuum is light, it's still corded, so you might find yourself limited by the length of the power cord, especially when cleaning large areas. This could be a deal breaker for those used to the freedom of cordless models. In terms of noise, the PowerGlide Slim is fairly typical for a corded vacuum. Not too loud, but certainly not quiet enough to use without some notice in the household. When it comes to value for money, the Bissell PowerGlide Slim offers a solid performance at its price point. For those in need of a lightweight, multifunctional vacuum that can handle pet hair and the usual household debris, it delivers. It's particularly well suited for small to medium-sized homes or apartments, and it provides good utility across different floor types. However, if you're in a larger home or have thicker carpets, you might want to explore alternatives with stronger suction power. For the price, it competes well with other vacuums in this range, such as the Shark Navigator Liftaway or the Hoover Wind Tunnel, but with its specific strengths in pet hair pickup and versatility. Comparing it to other vacuums in the same category, the Bissell PowerGlide Slim holds up well against similarly priced models, particularly when it comes to its pet hair performance and ease of use. The Shark Navigator Liftaway, for example, is also a popular choice for pet owners, but it does have a slightly stronger suction, making it better suited for deeper carpets. On the flip side, the Bissell is lighter and more versatile with its 3-in-1 design, which could be a deciding factor for those looking for a compact option that's easy to store and use for multiple cleaning tasks. The build quality of the Bissell PowerGlide Slim is solid for the price. The materials feel sturdy, but not overly premium. The plastic components are durable enough for everyday use, though you might notice some creaks during extended usage. The dustbin is easy to empty, and the brush roll is simple to maintain, even if you have long pet hair that tends to wind around. It's clear that Bissell put thought into making this model low maintenance, which is always a plus when you're dealing with frequent cleaning sessions. If you need customer support, Bissell has a reputation for solid service. While most users report little need for extensive help, any issues that arise are typically handled well by their team. The vacuum also comes with a warranty that offers peace of mind if anything goes wrong within the first few years. Overall, the Bissell PowerGlide Slim corded vacuum is a great option for those who want a versatile, lightweight vacuum for their home. It's especially suitable for pet owners who are tired of dealing with hair buildup and for those who need something that can transition easily between tasks. While it may not be the best choice for large homes with deep carpets, for many, it will be a reliable, everyday cleaner.